Okay, hi everyone. I'm gonna go out here and throw the minis in this pasture, a few flakes of hay. Lady and Willow over there still have hay in their lean-to, so I'm not gonna add any more to that. And here's Romeo. So I'm just gonna take a few flakes out of here and throw it on the ground for them over here. Tomorrow I'll probably get help getting a square bale into the square bale hay net that we have. Tomorrow's gonna be a busy day. I plan to take everybody out, groom everybody, and our equine dentist is coming out tomorrow to look at Romeo and Jessie and Willow and Lady's teeth. So my four are gonna get their teeth looked at tomorrow. So I'm just gonna toss this out there. It don't mean much because there's still some out, but rather than getting a whole new bale out tonight, I'm just gonna give them a few flakes to mess with, especially because they already have grass and hay. Still got quite a bit of hay in here. I'm running to the back and now getting into the more yellowed out parts of it though. That's my brother's horse. So a few of the videos that we plan on doing will be a trail course. I plan on setting up a trail course. I plan to ask for my niece and nephew's help with that. See if they're willing to help me with working the horses in a trail course, and I plan to show some cheaper, more innovative ways to do some trail courses and different things that you could do with your horses on a cheaper side, like from Dollar Tree and Dollar General, and cheap little things like that are still durable but easy to make and cheaper to access. And I have to clean my tack out and reorganize it, so I'm going to do a video on that. I'm going to do a grooming video hopefully tomorrow as I groom everybody and show before and afters and different things that we do. I'm hoping to braid everybody's mane and tails tomorrow, so I'll go over why I do braid them a certain way and why I do a bridle path and things like that. So that's a couple more videos that'll be fun to look forward to. And I'm hoping to do a few other little things. Do some driving videos and training videos, especially with Jessie. We're going to do some training videos of training Jessie to drive and training Jessie to do a few different in-hand things. There, Jessie is right there. I don't know why he's all the way over there when three of those guys are eating that. So I threw them that hay and he's coming up here. Little stud that he is, eating all the weeds. Good boy. He's looking good though. But that's a few of the things that we plan on doing and looking forward to in the next couple days. I'm hoping to get a few videos out each day of the little things that I plan on doing. Thank you to everyone who's been asking different questions, and thank you to everyone who has subscribed and liked and commented on all of our different videos. I'm hoping to get quite a few different amount of videos out this coming week. If you have anything that you would particularly like to see, or any activities that we do with our minis that you would like to see, please let me know, and I'll hopefully get that out there for everybody. Thank you again.